So the other option you have to submit a request for reimbursement is using the Excel spreadsheet. It's going to be a very similar document as the Word document, just in a different program. Just depends on whichever one you're more comfortable using or prefer to use. So again, you'll open up the document. It should look something like this. And again, you'll want to start. In Excel, you want to click on the cell that you want to fill and type into. So for example, we'll click on this cell next to People's Garden Project, and again, just type in your name, so Community Garden Expansion Project. In the cell below, you'll put in the date, and then you'll see here. We have the same similar table as the one before from the Word document. This first column will be your items, so 2 or 3 2x8x8 pieces of lumber. The supplier and vendor is Home Depot. For the type of documentation in the Excel spreadsheet, in this column, you'll notice this drop-down arrow at the right corner or at the right-hand side of the cell. You can click on that drop-down arrow and then you can choose which type of documentation you have. So in this case, we have a receipt. You'll then just type in your short description, sides for accessible raised beds, and you can put in your cost here. This column automatically will change the numbers to a price or a dollar. So you can just type in the number itself there. And again, if you have other things to add to your reimbursement request, you can do so. Again, using that drop-down arrow on the right-hand side to select the type of documentation you're submitting with this. And the cost. One thing that's neat with the Excel spreadsheet is that as you update this cost column, it automatically sums up the total amount for your request down here. So you can see if I were to add another row and say it was something that's $60, you can see that the total request for reimbursement updates automatically. So that's something that's just a little different than the Word document because Excel allows you to program some of the cells beforehand. It can take some of that manual effort out of the picture, but just depends on whether you want to use the Excel spreadsheet or the document or the Word document. So then again, once you're filling out the table, you'll scroll down and make sure to fill out the name or the person of the organization who's receiving the check. Put in their address. And then again, below all of that is where you'll then want to attach your purchase documentation. So again, clicking Insert, Image. It's easier to upload an image over cells in Excel. And again, uploading that receipt. And once you've uploaded your documentation, this form is ready to submit to your conservation district.